Hey Playmo pals, welcome back to another Playmo AF unboxing and review. Today we've got the Playmobil grandparents with child. I don't think that's their child, if you know what I mean. I don't know what I mean.
Awkward.
All right, welcome back, and thanks for joining us today, everyone. Again, we are checking out the Playmobil City Life set number 70990, the grandparents with child. We've got a great little image here on the front of the package of grandparents and their dog and a grandson. And it looks like they're walking through the park, and I'm just noticing what the boy has in his hand. I couldn't honestly tell. I thought maybe it was a milk carton, but it looks like it's a paper airplane, which is a really cool accessory. I'm kind of looking forward to checking that out in person. But yeah, this front image is very reminiscent of my life now. So that's very touching. It's very nice to see. The right side of the box has the perforation to give you access to your toys. The opposite side has a cropped version of our front image. In fact, it's the same images of the characters in the box, put in different positions here. That's kind of clever. It kind of changes things up a bit. Per usual, the bottom has the choking hazard warnings, or at least some of them. The top has the country manufacturer and distributor. The back side is a little busy here, but we do have all of our contents photographed individually, including that little paper airplane right there. It also has the barcode. And then on the left side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different Playmobil sets to add to your City Life themed collection here. That's all for the box details, everyone. Let's go ahead, crack this thing open, and see what's inside. First thing, we have this little catalog here. Well, I know I don't normally show these, but every once in a while I like to look at them just to see how different they are. Here's the granddad. He still looks kind of young. He's got a full head of hair, unlike me. But I like the detail on the pants. I have actually not seen a pair of pants that look like this, nor that shirt. That's a different shirt style for my collection as well. Here's the little boy, the grandchild. He appears to have a dinosaur on the front of his shirt. That's a pretty cool looking shirt as well, and I do like also the color scheme on him with the dark gray shirt and the orange shorts. Alright, here's the grandma. I like that hair. She comes with this little purse with what looks to be like daisies. I know they're not, because daisies are yellow and white. These are not yellow and white. We'll call them pansies. They look nothing like pansies either, but whatever. Alright, and here is the stroller piece. The triangular section of the handlebars latch onto the triangular piece on the side of the cart. Pretty nifty. And it can be easily disassembled whenever you need to do so. Same with the other side. Very cool, very cool. And I'm getting a phone call, guys, so we're gonna have to put this on hold.
6.5 hours later.
Okay, guys, we are back. I'm sorry that took so long because now we've lost a lot of our sunlight. But yeah, that was my bestie from, I've known him since before high school. That was Scott. Hi, Scott, if you're watching. And so we've got everything open. Here's the dog and the leash. And I just noticed this when I was putting the leash into the man's hand here. I don't know if you guys remember this, but I did a video of a special plus figure of a woman who walked, I think it was 4 dogs. She was a dog walker, but she had a different name. I didn't like it too much. I liked the clicky, but I did not like the leash because the strings had these little balls that would detach themselves. They would slide into a little notch on the side of the leash holder, but they would constantly just slip right out. And all I can think about was me as a kid. If I had this when I was 8 years old and I was taking it to school or taking it into the backyard to play with, or even into the car when we were going on trips and things, these leashes would just break apart. They'd slip out. You'd lose either the handle, you would either lose the string, or you might even lose the dog, or you know, multiple pieces at one time because they couldn't stay together. And that was very disappointing to me. And I actually kind of mentioned that in the video, thinking, you know, that's money out the door. That's going to cause your kids some heartache, and they're just going to be like, mommy, I don't have this piece. I'm going to cry now. And Playmobil's supposed to last, and so if they, by any chance, if any remote chance, they decided to up the game a little bit and create this contraption where they have the little ball at the end of the string that fits inside of the handle here, that's perfect. That's great. That just scored massive points for the set. So yeah, A+ for Playmobil, A+ for the set, just because of this. And here's another weird thing about this set. Look at the cart. Look how wide it is compared to a klicky. that's crazy. But according to the front of the box, you can actually get them to hold on to both of the handles. Oh, I don't see how, because it's just popped right off. Let me try that again. See if I can get it. Maybe I do have it backwards, because the top of the handlebars, yeah, see? Alright, see how the handlebars come out? So I guess we do have them backwards. So basically, you gotta reverse these, and the handles will come closer together because of the way they're shaped. They bend inward. Oh my, yeah, man, that makes a heck of a difference there. And wow, guys, that was close. I was about to close this video out, but you know what? We forgot an important part of our video. The paper airplane. When I poured out all the contents from the bag, this never fell out. And I didn't think I even had it. But the bag that they came in, there's a section of it that's all white. So when I just picked up the bag, I never saw the paper airplane because it blended in so well with the white background. But yeah, it was lodged into the corner over here. And that there concludes our unboxing and review video of the Grandparents with Child video. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you did like it. And be sure to click subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow us on Instagram for some really fun Playmobil adventures. You can follow us at playmo.af. And until then, guys, we do have more on the way, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time right here on Playmo AF. Bye-bye.